this too. How about I stand you up? Play. Go. Ready? She like purposely puts her feet down. Now stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Pretty girl. There you go. See? Stand. Get your balance. Okay, and I'm letting go. Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh! Try again. Stand up. There you go. Hold on tight.
Hi, baby.
Wow. There you go.
She knows how to play with that.
There you go. Stand up straight like this. Get your balance. There you go. There you go. Oh. Look at that one. Keep standing up. There you go. Wow. There you go. Now you're standing. Good
She's sticking out her
job.
tongue.
I used to love these things when I was a kid.
Yeah, they used to have a lot of those around there.
Yeah.
Back in the
Old
day.
school. Wow. Oh. Yay. Oh. Want to try again? You need to rest. And a rest. Okay.
Maybe.
She might need a little bit more in a bit. She's been eating pretty good though. Maybe a little snack.